Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody made this file and they enveloped into this shape, and I can already kind of see the problem, but I'm going to show him a simple solution. If we take this and we left click, right click, and he's got these set on 10 degrees, Control D to make a duplicate alternate C and rotate it 20 degrees, they're not touching. And that's his problem. So this won't work in every case, but it'll work in this case because of these straight lines. So we're just going to delete that. He's sent me a daisy chain of them, and it's a pretty cool design. We're just going to start over with the lines, and I'm going to take the 2-point line and hit P, but I'm going to rotate it 10.5 degrees. 10.5, Doug. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. So we have more than 10 degrees there, or 20 degrees. So I'm going to fill that in, nudge it over, and I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to get the envelope tool. And just remember, don't ever move that. So I'm going to go to Effects and Envelope and go right here to Place Inside Form. And you get right that. Now you've got it selected, Shift select the box and go EC. That put it right in the middle. Now we're going to go there. I'm going to use the Alt key to get rid of everything. And if we take this and go left click, right click, Control D, alternate C, and rotate it at 20 degrees, now the lines are passed and it worked out perfect. On this case, there's a lot of times this isn't going to work. So I'm going to Control D, alternate C. Well, let me just start from it's almost easier to start from the start. Control D, alternate C, rotate it to 20 degrees, Control D all the way around. Now, this has overlapping lines. So as you can see, but they're perfect in this case. A lot of times this won't work. But if we'll select everything and go to weld, it gets rid of those interlocking lines. Now, this is one of the cases you cannot fill in with the Smart Fill tool because he put a divider between them, which I think looks pretty cool. So you can just go and turn them blue, take away the outline, and you have that object. I like this design, and the envelope tool is just going to do that. It's just going to kind of, and it's still a cool, I don't know what he's trying to make. But anyway, so just when it's possible, when you have straight lines, make your envelope just basically 1 degree. You can actually probably make it less, but give that a shot. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.